Want to make the best guacamole of your life? Today, I'm revealing restaurant-level secrets to get the perfect balance of creaminess, spice, and crunch. Stick around for pro tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're making the ultimate Mexican-style guacamole, breaking down the best techniques, ingredient choices, and flavor hacks. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the perfect avocado. Use Hass avocados. They're rich, creamy, and full of flavor. Check ripeness by color and texture. Avoid bright green, which means it's underripe, or deep brown, which is overripe. The stem test. If the nub under the stem is light green, it's perfectly ripe. Step 2. Prepping and cutting the avocado. Safely hold the avocado from the bottom. This ensures better control when slicing. Cut around the seed and twist. It's a safer, cleaner way to open it. Remove the seed with a knife tap and twist. Then gently push it off the blade. Step 3. Building layers of flavor. Mash onions, serrano peppers, and cilantro first. This releases their natural juices and enhances depth. Use fresh lime juice to prevent browning and balance richness. Add salt gradually to enhance all the flavors without overpowering. Mix gently for a creamy yet chunky texture. The perfect guacamole isn't a puree. Step 4. Adding the final touches. Diced tomatoes are optional but add sweetness and color. Crumbled queso fresco is also optional but adds a salty, creamy contrast. Serve with thick, crunchy tortilla chips. A sturdy chip holds the guacamole better. Now you know how to make the perfect guacamole. What's your favorite way to customize it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want more authentic Mexican recipes? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cooking techniques.